name is Mike Garcia. I'm a Harlingen police officer. I'm a sergeant with the department. I've been with the department a little bit over 26 years. I'm an international instructor with Monotnaut. Today we're going to talk about the MEB, Monotnaut Expandable Baton. This baton that I'm holding, this is the Auto Lock, the 22-inch Auto Lock. I carry it on my support side, which is my left side. To close the baton, all I do is just push the button. So today what we're going to do is we're going to draw the baton, and like I said, I carry it on my support side, so it's called a cross draw. I can either go to the outside of the arm to a two-hand carry or to a vertical carry. So what I'll do here is we're going to draw the baton, expand it, and then I'm going to get into a defensive stance, like right here outside the arm, inside the arm, and then a vertical carry. Either three of those positions I can use, but again, I got to step back and get into a defensive stance. Again, here's the cross draw that we're going to do. I'm going to demonstrate the draw, coming out, flicking it, and outside the arm carry, or I can go into a two-hand carry, or go into a vertical. Here, I'm going to do it again, and this time my partner's going to come in. If he's attacking me or he's coming being aggressive, here's where I do the cross draw and give him a verbal command. So come on in, Chris. He comes in, hit back! And here I can go strikes from here, or I can go into a technique where I can take control of him and either go to my strong side or my support side. Okay? All right, from here we did the cross draw, and I ended up at a two-hand carry. Here the suspect is still being aggressive, so what I'm going to do with my baton is I'm going to do a jab. I'm going to jab him here. As I jab him, then I'm going to reach over and take control of him. As I take control of him, now I can take him into an escort. I've got a good hold of him where I'm using the baton. Here I'm using some leverage in the back, and you can see where I can control him from here. From here, I can go up to an escort, take him up against the wall, get him on his knees, whatever I need to do from here. I can escort him from here and take control of him. Okay, and we'll do it one more time. Again, strike comes in, I take control of him, and now I've got him where I need to be back on his back. And take control of him, handcuff him from here, or get him to put his hand up, put your hand up on your head, and we can escort him from here. All right. Okay, again, we've come out of the cross draw and I went into a two-hand carry. The subject here, I'm going to do a combination. I'm going to do a low block. I'm going to low block here. As he comes in and he throws the kick, come on in, Chris. He throws the kick, I block the kick, and it would present it here is the support side. So all I do is come in with a baton, and again, I've got him into an escort. I can escort him from here and control him, and I can escort him, put him up against the wall, take him to the car, or take him down to the ground. This is a combination here, low block, and going into a support side arm lock to an escort. Okay. Okay, from here, I've got the subject as being compliance now. I'm not going to use the baton. I'm going to go hands-on. This technique here is I'm going to manipulate the fingers. I'm going to roll the fingers backwards, and at the same time give him some pressure up against the arm, up the forearm, and then I'm going to rotate the arm and go on the reverse, and I'm going to manipulate the wrist now. So now I'm combining manipulations to the forearm and manipulations to the fingers and getting some pain compliance. This can be done with one officer or two officers. Here, if I had the weapon drawn, I would be telling him, put your hands up, sir, put your hands up. Once he's got his hands up, I'm going to reach in, put my weapon away, lock up the arm, twist it, come back out. Again, I'm stepping away from him, and I'm going to my handcuffs. I drop my cuff should be ready to go. I cuff him, get the other hand, reach for the other hand. Again, I step in, lock him, and I've got him handcuffed. From here, I can search the body, search for weapons. I also pick him up. One of the main rules that we've got, we double lock the handcuffs so the handcuff does not move anymore. So I'm going to pick him up, get on up. Once I get him here, I double lock the handcuffs. I lock it, and then I lock it again, and I've got them double locked where they don't move. And now I can escort him to the police car. Okay, here the next exercise we're going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of element of surprise on him. I'm going to manipulate again. I'm going to manipulate the wrist and manipulate the forearm, just getting a hold of his hand. The element of surprise here, he's bulked up on me. I've given him verbal commands to put his hands up, turn around, and he refuses. He bulks up. What I want to do here, the element of surprise, I'm going to come strike under the arm, and again, like I said, I'm manipulating the wrist, and you can start to see where the wrist is turning. All I do is push him away, come in here, and again, I manipulated the wrist where now I've given him some pain compliance. And you can see Chris there. Give me the other hand, sir. Cuff him. Give me the other hand. Bring it to me. And again, handcuff. Once I've cuffed him, again, we double lock. Make sure that the handcuff does not tighten up anymore. So we double lock and it's locked up. And we double lock one more time and the handcuff is locked. From here I can do a search of the body. I can search him here while he's on the kneeling position. And I can also bring him back up, come on up. And I can search him here, and now I'm set to escort into the police car. Those were 4 of the scenarios that we use at the police department to do some training. That's part of our baton training and it's part of our defensive tactics. We'll see you later. Till next time. Bye.
Bad boys, what you want?